السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. أما بعد، رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Welcome you guys to another session, rather our final session today. Alhamdulillah. Congratulations to all of you for sticking it out. Alhamdulillah, making it to the end. Alhamdulillah, I believe it was a great semester. All of you guys progressed really well. Alhamdulillah. At this point today, we have the final lesson, which will help you guys to ensure that you are, excuse me, that you are able to apply everything that is mentioned in the syllabus from the goals and objectives. So last time we learned a new vowel, or a new vowel, which is the sukoon, right? Which is the sukoon, which can be considered as a silent vowel. And we said that it can be understood as the letter that has the sukoon on it, the sukoon symbol. It means that its sound will be connected to that which came before it without adding any stretches. So, for example, right, here we have a kaf with a fatha followed by a meme with a sukoon. So the two sounds should be joined together, right? The meme sound should be joined to what came before it without adding a stretch. So we're not going to say cam, but we're just going to say kem. Same thing with the one after. We're not going to say lam. We're going to say lem, right? I think all of you guys, did you guys have any questions regarding that? Sukoon?
No.
Okay, great. So the homework was for you guys to practice page 50, right? Page 50 of the homework, right? Which is this page right here. All right, so before we get to that, let's take our final lesson today, inshallah. And or actually, rather, let's do this, since the only example here that you guys might have a problem with should have been this one, as we did not learn about this accent mark just yet. So, but everything else you guys should have been able to do. So let's take a look here. Let's start at the top right, which is going to be here, and we'll work our way down. Okay. Brother Hussein, can you please pronounce both words in that first top right box, please?
Kalbun and Kalbun.
Okay. So they both sound and pronounced exactly the same. So the first one should be qaf. So not kalbun, but qalbun, qalbun. Try that again.
Kalbun.
A bit better. You want to ensure that you're using your uvula, right? The rear of your tongue in conjunction with your uvula, where it's soft and meaty. So specifically behind the uvula.
Ka.
Qalbun.
Kalbun.
Much better. Very nice job. Sister Alyssa, can you do the second one for us, please? The second two words. So each one of you guys are going to do the two words in the box.
Wait, so which one am I doing? The dog?
No. I said each one of you guys are going to be doing two words. So the brother just did these two. So you're going to be doing the next two.
Okay. Okay. The first one. Halqa. The second one. Halka.
Oh, sorry. I was wondering what you were. I realized you went this way. Okay, no problem.
Sorry, I went across. Was I not?
No, that's fine. That's fine.
Down?
That's fine. Can you read it again, please?
Yeah. Halqa.
Okay, so pay
And
attention.
halka.
So the lam has what letter? What vowel on it?
Fata.
Great. But you're saying hal. So what should it be?
La.
So, great. So how would that sound?
Halaq. Halaqa.
Yeah, try not to hold that sound. So just be halaqa. So not halla. Like, don't join the ha and the lam, right? Because there's no symbol that shows that it should be joined. So it should be halaqa, halaqa.
Halaqa.
And the second one?
Halka.
No, so this lam, the same thing. What vowels on the lam? You're saying helka.
Why am I missing the L? Okay. Halaka.
There you go. Halaka. Very good. So the first one is ha with the expulsion of ear, and the second one is that deep stereo sound ha. Halaka. Very good job.
Halaka.
Ahsanti. Brother Sayyid, can you do the next one first, please? So I guess we'll go like that because the sister went there already, so we'll just go like that, inshallah. So if you can do this one, please, brother. We're not hearing you, brother. I can see you unmuted yourself, but we're not able to hear. I'm not sure if it's a technical difficulty.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, there we go. I can hear you now.
All right. So the first one, inshallah, is gonna be Raqada,
Mm-hmm.
and then the second one is gonna be Raqada.
Very good. Very nice. Just the pronunciation of letters done really well. Just pay attention to the length of your vowels, right? So try to keep them all the same. A. Raqada, raqada, right? And the second one, raqada, because there's three the same exact accents. You want to ensure their lengths are also the same. Other than that, beautiful, beautiful job. For the Sharif, can you do this fourth one for us, please? Brother Sharif, are you with us? Perhaps he's not able to hear us.
Yes, my apologies. I'm just getting in.
No worries, no worries. Can you do this?
This for me, Sheikh?
Yes, the fourth one is for you. Yes, go ahead.
Sorry about that. Hold on. He repented. Should be Taba.
Very nice. Try not to add that Taba. Right? There's no ha. It's just Taba.
Okay. Taba.
Okay.
And he was good, pleasant, agreeable. Tauba.
Very good. So the pronunciation of these letters is nice, but you're adding an extra ha. So let me tell you, it sounds like you're pronouncing it as if there's a ha with a sukoon here. You're saying taba and taba. Right? So just try ta ba and taba. Taba, taba, without adding that extra ha sound with the sukoon. Try that one more time.
Sir. Taba, tauba.
Okay, much better, but you still come with it, so I think we'll come with time, inshallah. But are you hearing that you're saying that ha?
I can hear it.
Okay.
I thought that this was I guess maybe I'm wrong. Like the Aleph El Mad, right?
Yeah.
The long vowel?
Yeah, on the ta, yes, and the fa, yes.
So okay, so I guess what I'm calling myself doing is extending it.
No, you should extend it. That should be
Okay.
these should be extended. The ta and the fa. The problem is that you're at the end here. You're adding a ha like this.
Okay.
You're putting a ha with a sukoon with a connect. Are you hearing that? You're saying taba. I want you to hear the difference. What you're saying is taba. Well, it should be taba. Can you hear the difference?
Yes.
Okay, so you don't want to have that little ear, that expulsion, or not that expulsion, but that like that little sigh at the end, just taba, as opposed to taba. One more time, try it again.
Taba,
There you go.
tauba.
Very good, much better. Ahsanta. Brother Sharif. I'm sorry, Brother Hussein. I'm putting you on a spot today, Brother Sharif. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, Brother Hussein.
Kasada and kasada.
Very good. Just make it a bit more clearer. That first one, make sure there's a qaf and a slad. The slad pronounces as almost like a scene. Maybe qaf, slad, da. Remember those two, both the qaf and the slad are both those heavy sounds, right? Ah. Qaf, slad, da. Qaf,
Kasada
slad. There you go.
and kasada.
No, so the first one would be ka. Right, so you're going to work a little bit on the a versus the ah. Right, so remember the majority of the letters, right, guys, are going to fall into that sound, right? Only a few letters are going to fall into that ah, right? That heavy sound. Can you guys remember what those letters are? Anybody remembers?
Raw.
Well, okay, Ra is from amongst them. Great.
Swad.
Slod.
God.
Lod. Very good. Lod.
Qaf.
Not Qaf, but Kha. Don't want the scratch, right? So Jim, Ha, Kha.
Kha.
Right? Are you referring to this one? Sorry. This one?
I was referring to the
The one
one
that
you
circles
just
right now?
said.
Yeah, okay, yeah, so Qaf, not Kaf, but Qaf, 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 Qaf. Yes, you're correct, yes.
Ra.
Yeah, so great, very nice. But we wouldn't say Ra, we're saying Ra.
Ra.
There you go. So the letters are, we spoke about them before, so they're going to be, that's right, they're going to be letters Kha, Slod, Bod, Ghain, Tha, Qaf, and the letter Va. Right? These are the letters that will always be ah, right? And what you guys said is correct regarding the letter ra, but that's when it has a fatha on it, right? So we don't want to get too confused right now. So when it has a fatha or a dhamma, right? But let's not get too confused. So for right now, let's just stick to saying that the letter ra is an ah sound, a heavy sound, because ra, ru, right? But these letters that I have enclosed in the box, those letters will always be ah, So those are going to be letters kha, right? We're saying kha, slod, slod, lod, line with the gargle, tha, qaf, and the letter va, and the letter va. Okay, so that's why you want to say qa, sla, da, and then you want to ensure that the dal is not affected qa, sla, da, but qa, sla, da. So you want to be able to transition kind of from these sounds, or even the opposite. If it go from the a sound to the a sound, but in this case you're going to go from a to an a. You're going to say qa, sla, da, and then the second one would be all a sounds would be kasada. Just try it one more time, brother.
Kasada.
Mhm.
Kasada.
Very good. Ahsanta. That's in Alyssa. The next one, please.
Dinun and Zinun.
Not thi, that would be a tha, but this would be. What letter is this?
Sod.
Say it again, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, no, it's not.
I didn't hear what you said. I'm sorry.
Ka,
A tha. Correct. So it is a tha. So the sound would be, with the e sound would be.
the, it's not C, because that's like saying ta.
So it would be was it like a tha, right? It would be flee,
Okay, I need help.
nun, nun. Right. So it comes from the same place as a ta, right? So let's start from there. It's like
Okay.
just like this first one, T nun, right? I want you to pay attention when you say this one. When you say the letter ta, where you're placing the tip of your tongue. T, because you pronounce that one well. So T nun. Say that again.
Tinun.
Again.
Tinun.
Great. When you say the letter ta, pay attention to the way you place your tongue. T nun.
Tinun.
Great. Do you realize where you're placing your tongue?
Yeah, just a
Great.
font.
Great. Now what I want you to do is place the tip of your tongue at the same spot, right? Which is behind, or right at the roots, the origin of your top two front teeth. Now,
Yeah.
in order to get the all you're going to do is same spot. You're going to put your tip of your tongue, but what you're going to do is just curve the sides of your tongue, like kind of like curve the sides of your tongue towards the roof. So it'll be flee, as opposed to t, flee, nun.
Tinun.
There you go. Ahsanti. Very good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Brother Sharif, the next one, please.
Darbun and Darbun.
Very good. Ahsanta. So darbun and ضرب. The difference they're trying to show you is the dal versus the ضاد. Versus dal is that and the ضاد be ضا. Very nice job. أحسنت. Brother Sayyid.
All right. So the first one, the that wait, dalilun,
Mhm.
dalilun.
No. So pay attention to excuse me. The pronunciation is good. Pay attention to the vowel, whether it's a short vowel or a long vowel, right? Whether it's a I, U or an I, U. Just pay attention to that.
Dalilun,
Mm-hmm.
and then the second one, dalilun.
Very good. So be dhalilun and dhalilun. Try not to stretch those first letters, the dhal and the dha. Other than that, brother, very nice job on the lam and the tanween. Very good. Very good. Brother Hussein, the next one, please.
بعد and بعد.
Not ba, but ba. Rest of the ba and the ayn will still be a
Ba.
sounds, but you want to pay attention. I think what happened there is you're anticipating the bod, which was pronounced great, but you want to ensure that does not affect the ba and the ayn that came before. So be ba'da, ba'da.
بعد
Not ba,
ba
ba.
بعد
So the first one is
بعد
ba'ad. The first one is ba'ada. The second one would be ba'da, ba'da. Break it down to two sounds.
بعد.
No, it's not ba. Try not to but keep your tongue flat. Ba. Just say ba.
Ba.
Great. Ba.
Ba.
Very good. And now ba.
بعد.
And now ba.
بعد.
There you go. Ba. Very nice job. Ahsanta. So you guys want to try to work on your transitions, right? Basically, it's just keeping tongue flat. Two simple points. Tongue flat for the ah sounds. Curve the sides of the tongue for the ah sounds, right? So you guys want to pay attention. Ba'da. Very good. We're going to skip this one because we have not learned that accent mark just yet. We're also going to skip the next one because it's the same thing. We haven't learned that accent mark just yet. I think it's just Melissa's turn, so if you can please do this one.
صباح صباح.
Very good job. Ahsanti. Brother Sharif, the next one, please.
Dawson.
No, pay attention. The first one, read the first one again.
Oh. Darsun.
Mm-hmm.
Dawson.
Very good, but the dal has an E sound. So not Darsun, but?
Oh. Okay. All right. Hold on one second.
Sure.
This is the second one you mentioned, right? With
The second one,
dog?
yes.
Okay.
So the dal is pronounced beautifully, but the accent mark was off.
Okay. Okay. I see. That would be Dirsun or Dirs. Okay. All right. So there's no vowel on a scene.
They just messed up. It should have a tanween just like the other one.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah.
So that would be Dirsun.
Soon.
Sorry.
No problem. And the last one, please, for us, Brother Sayyid.
First one should be Ahlun.
One more time.
Aleph with a.
No, you did good. You're good. I just want to hear it one more time. Sorry, I just didn't hear it clearly.
Okay, so Ahlun.
Very good. But the letter calf. That's a calf, right? Did you recognize it as a calf?
Yeah, it's a calf, and then the next one's will be a call.
Oh, great. But you're pronouncing this calf a little bit off. So it'll be ek.
Oh, Aklun.
There you go.
Aklun,
Mhm.
and the next one's going to be Aklun.
Very good. Try not to make the first letter all, but it'll be ah.
Yeah, Aklun, Aklun.
No. So this one right here, you're saying ah. But it should be ah. It should be aqlun.
Aqlun.
Very good. So the first one will be aklun, and the second one is going to be aqulun. Very good. Ahsantum jami'an. Very nice job, guys. So today we're going to take, like I said, this is our last session. We're going to take the final accent mark, which is presented, and you'll see in these two examples here, that little W that you see there, or we can call it the little W. It's known as you're going to see, it's known as a shadda. Shadda is the name of it, right? Just like they have it written here. Shadda. Now the shadda, the symbol is written above the letter, and it looks like this little W. And keep in mind, as you're going to see now, I'll show you guys. So the shadda consists of a few aspects, and it's similar to the one we learned before, the sukoon. Okay, but I'm going to show you certain differences that it has. Okay, so the shadda, the letter that has the shadda on it, its sound will be connected to that which came before it. It sounds very similar to a sukoon, right? Its sound will be connected to what came before it, but with a few additions. So in addition to being connected, you're also going to hold that sound, right? You're going to hold that sound and then complete the second accent mark associated with it. So this shadda will always have a second accent mark associated with it, whether it be the fatha, whether it be the dhamma, whether it be the kasra, or whether it has a tanween, right? And it could be any of the three tanween, or it can have long vowel associated with it. So you'll have all the accent marks that we learned. Is it possible to come with this one, right? So if we go to the whiteboard, so if we go to the whiteboard, we said that the shadda is a vowel. I'm sorry, it is a letter with this symbol on top of it, the little W, right? You're going to connect just like a sukoon, but you're going to also hold, then complete the accent mark, right? Oh, sorry. You're going to complete the accent mark, right? Whether it be, I'm sure you know, so you can have a few. You can have a shadda with a fatha. You can have the shadda. You can have the shadda with the dhamma. You can have the shadda with the kasra. Pay attention, right? It will have it on the bottom of the shadda, right? So let's just start again one more time. So the fatha will be a shadda and the fatha on top. The dhamma will be the same way, the shadda with the dhamma on top. And then the kasra is going to be the shadda with the vowel on the bottom. So that's how you know that it's the E sound, right? You can also have shadda fatha followed by an alif. You have the shadda with the dhamma followed by a waw. You have the shadda with the kasra followed by ya. You can also have the shadda with the tanween, with any of the three tanween. And same thing, it'll be on the bottom. So you want to pay attention to that as well. And I said the additions are going to be, you're connecting, holding, and same point. So you're not going to add any stretch between the two sounds being connected together. No stretch. Connect, hold it. So when you're holding, it's going to kind of be like a strong sound, right? So holding, and then complete whatever accent marks associated, whether it's a, whether it's a e, or u, whether it's an n, in, un. So let's break it down. Let's take some examples here. So let's say we have a hamza with a fatha. What sounds that going to make, guys? Great. Then we'll put a ba with a shadda and a fatha. So let's do the first part. I said connect. So how would you connect Anyone, somebody just take a chance at it. Just to connect. How'd that sound?
Ab.
Abba.
Great. So ab, right? Ab. Now I want you to hold it, and in addition to that, you're going to complete the ass on the fatha. So be abba, right? So abba. You see that hold abba, and then complete the fatha. Try that again, guys. Try that for me. All of you, starting with brother Hussein, sister Nalissa, then brother Sharif, and then sister brother Sayyid. So start with you, brother Sayyid.
Abba.
Abba. Very good. Sister Nalissa.
Abba.
Very good. There you go. You see that hold, guys? Abba. You hold it. Abba. Very nice. Brother Sharif.
Abba.
Very good. Brother Sayyid.
Abba.
Very nice. And as I said, it can come with any of the accent marks. So it can have an E sound. It can be abbi. It can have abbu, etc. Or it can have abba with the alif, with the long vowel, or abbu, or abbi, or abban, or abbin, or abbun. Okay. And we said the main point, though, you guys are going to have to keep in mind is connect, hold, no stretches in between, the two sounds being connected, and then you complete the associated accent mark, whether it's an a, e, u, whether it's an n, in, un, whether it's a, e, u. Is that clear, guys? Any questions regarding that before we start the examples? Great. Let's take a look at some examples then, inshallah. So keeping what we learned in mind, we'll start with brother Hussein, and you break it down. You start off with the first letter, and you said this has a connect. This has the shadda with associated with the tanween, right? So we'll break this one down together, brother Hussein. Shadda with the tanween. Connect its sounds to that which came before it. Hold it, and then complete your tanween. How will that sound?
Dabun.
Very good, but the dal has a u sound. A da, but u.
Dubun.
Very good. When I dubun, try not to add that. It'd be dubun, right? Connect it still. The dal and the ba will be connected, right? And then held dubun.
Dubun.
Very good. Just in Alyssa, the second one, please.
Making sure it's the cat we're talking about, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I have to break this down.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's what we do at this stage right here. So what's the first letter?
Off
Great. With what
with a
accent mark?
kesra.
Great. So it's going to be
Qi,
the. Great. Followed by a
ta,
law. And what accent marks associated with this letter? Law.
fata,
Great, but there's something else there as well, right?
shadda,
The shadda, right? So the shadda gets applied first, and then you complete the fatha. So what does shadda mean? What are you going to do here? You're going to connect its sound to that which came before it. Hold it, right? So it's going to be a little bit strong, right? So you're going to be holding it, and then you complete the fatha. Want to take a try of that? Just up to that point. Forget this last letter for right now. Just one point at a time. Just connect those to this qaf, la, and complete that accent mark. How would that sound?
1 second. Qi, ta. Oh Lord. Qi, ta, ta, tun.
Great. But you're missing the shadda, right? So you say
Yes.
be qitla, and then you complete the ta with the tanween. So qitlatun. So remember connected.
Qi, tatun.
There you go. Don't stretch the qaf, but qitlatun. So you're gonna connect it, hold it, and then complete the fatha. Qitlatun.
Qi, tatun.
Very good. Brother Sharif, the next one, please.
Bat. Totun.
Very good, but you skipped the shadda, right? So you say bat, platun. Trying to have that abrupt stop between them, but the ba and tla will be connected. Betlatun, betla, betlatun, betlatun. You're connecting, right, guys? Connect it to what came before it. hold it, and then complete that fatha. بَلْطَةٌ بَلْطَةٌ.
Battatun.
Very good. Brother Sayyid, the next one, and pay attention to the actual word. Brother Sayyid, let's go through it together. The ra here has a shadda, right? We agree on that. What else is associated with it, Brother Sayyid?
It's also associated with a fatha, and then there's an aleph right there.
Great. So that makes it a.
Ra. It'll be dara.
So it'll be a long vowel, right?
Dara.
There you go.
Darajatun.
Very good. Darajatun, right? So connect, hold, and then complete that stretch. Darajatun.
Rajatun.
Very good. Try to say j, but ja. So not j like bonjour, no, but not like French, but ja.
Darajatun.
There you go. Very good. Brother Hussein, the next one, please.
Kubba'atun.
Very good. Qubba'atun. Trying to stretch the ayn, but other than that, very nice. Qubba'atun.
Kubba'atun.
Very good. And the last one first, please, Sister Melissa. Break it down, no problem. Let's break it down letter by letter. Do it together. So first
The
letter.
first one is ta. The second letter is noon.
Great. And the accent mark associated with those two letters?
A shadda with a dhamma.
Great.
Which
But
is
the
who?
first one has a ta with a.
Fatha.
Great. What sound it's going to make?
Ta.
Ta. Great. And you said noon. Very nice. Followed by shadda and a dhamma, but also followed by a.
Wow.
Which makes it a. A long vowel, right? Be ooh. So be noo. Now the noon has that shadda, so meaning it's going to be connected to what came before and then held. So just let's break that down first. Forget this stretch and all that. How would you connect the ta and the noon for right now? And complete the dhamma.
Ta.
How would that sound?
Ta nu.
Rabbanat ta. Just be the ta and the noon should be directly connected together. Touch them together. No space in between them. Their sound will be connected. Not
Ten.
separate. There you go. 10. And you hold it and then.
Ten.
So it'll be tennu. Tennu.
Tennu.
Very good. And then
Ra.
now. Great. Tennuratun.
Tennuratun.
Very good, right? So ta followed by the noon. Tennu. But it's actually a stretch because of the wow. So tennu followed by ra with the fatha. So tennu ra. And the ta, the closed ta with the tenween. Tennuratun.
Tennuratun.
Very good. Ahsanti. So this was our final lesson, guys. Allahumma barik. Congratulations to all of you guys. You guys did a beautiful job. We'll take these two examples that we ended up leaving out because of we didn't learn it yet. So there's 4 examples and 4 of you guys. So Brother Hussein, do this first one, please.
Sabah.
Great. Hold it a bit more.
Sabah.
Don't stretch the part. I'm talking about the hold portion. So the first one says sabba at first, and second you said sabba, trying to stretch it. But in that first case, you said sabba, try to hold it. Sabba. Great, the hold, right? Very nice. Sister Nelissa, please.
Sobba.
There you go. Sabba. Very nice. Brother Sharif.
Dalla.
Very nice. And the last one, please, Brother Sayyid.
Dalla.
Very nice. Dalla. Beautiful job, guys. Ahsantum jami'a. All of you guys did an excellent job. It was a great semester. It was a pleasure working with you guys, being your instructor. Alhamdulillah. Did you guys have any questions regarding anything you guys learned? Anything now, based on what we learned previously? We'll take a few more examples before we end, but did you guys have any questions regarding anything that we've learned thus far?
The videos are going to be there
Say that again. Yeah,
I
the
said the
videos are
video-
the videos will be left on YouTube. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So we can go back and look at it. No.
Yeah, the videos will be there. The channels, yeah, they will be there, even after you've moved on to the other levels. Yes. Very good. Let's take a few more examples before we end today, inshallah. So, brother Hussein, starting with the first one, please, on this page, the fox.
Ta'alabun.
Tha'labun.
No, Sa'alabun.
Very good. Very nice. Then let's the next one, please.
I'm trying to work it out if you're wondering why I'm quiet.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. Break it down. Let's break it down together. Let's break it down out loud so we can make sure that you're understanding it properly. Sister?
I'm here. Is the first letter meme? I'm trying to figure out the first letter.
Yeah, me. Yeah, that's it. Let's break it
Okay.
down together. Let's break it
I
down
second
together.
guessed myself. So the first letter is mu,
Mm-hmm.
sa.
Mm-hmm.
Third letter is alam
Alam, very good.
with a fatha and a shadda.
Very nice. So we'll sound.
Musal sun.
Great, but you're skipping a few sounds in the lamb. Everything goes with the lamb. So the lamb has a few things, right? Connected to what came before it, and then also complete the fatha. So muthalla, thun, muthallathun.
Musallathun.
Very nice. The next one, please, Brother Sharif.
Tumun.
Thumun. Very nice. Ahsant. And the next one, Brother Sayyid.
Ahbathun.
Athathun. Beautiful job. Brother Hussein, the next one.
Jamalun.
Jamalun. Very nice. Sister Melissa, the next one.
Ujjalun.
Fuj, so it's a jim with the sukoon, right? Very nice. So how
Sukun.
that
So it's just gonna be j.
You're right. There's not going to be no sound, no no holding, just a connecting, right?
Ujjalun.
So you're saying fujjalun, fujjalun. Wait, that should sound.
Fujlun.
There you go. Fujlun. Very nice. Brother Sharif, the next one, please.
Masjidun. Hold on
Okay.
one second. Masjidun.
There you go. Masjid. Very nice. Brother Sayyid.
Hujjatun.
Very nice. But you did great, except pay attention to the vowels in the jim. Is it going to be hujjajun or hujjajun? Which one? Hujjajun or hujjajun?
Hujjatun, because it's elongated in the middle.
There you go. That's first you were saying hujjajun, but it should be hujjajun. Very nice. Ahsanta. And this last row, starting with Brother Hussein.
Hutun.
Hutun. Beautiful. Sister Melissa, the next one, please.
Maha.
No. You swapped it. Namaha, but
Oh no, that's a that's a ha.
Mhm.
Hama. Matun.
Great. So it's all together now would be
Hamamatun.
right. Hamamatun.
Hamamatun.
Try not to join any of the sounds together here, right? You're only join if there's a sukoon or shadda. Very nice. Brother Sharif.
Lamun.
Nice, but pronounce the you're skipping the ha. You're saying lamun, lamun. It should be. So what vowels on the ha?
Sukoon.
Great. So now how would you join the lam and the ha together? Remember, the ha will have that expulsion of ear, the ear that can be heard and felt. So sound.
La.
There you go. There, perfect. Lah. That's nice. Lah. That's nice.
Okay. Lahamun.
Very good. Lahmun. Try it again. Lahmun.
Lahmun.
Perfect. Ahsanta. Very nice. And the last one, brother Sayyid, please.
That'd be Timsahun.
Very nice. Timsahun. Very nice. Ahsantum. Ahsantum jami'an. Jazakumullahu khairah. Congratulations to all of you. Alama back. You guys just in this 10 weeks, you guys just learned all of the accent marks that you need to be able to read now. All starting with the short vowels, the long vowels, the tenween, the sukoon, the shadda, the different positions of the letters, whether they're in the beginning, the middle, the end. You learn about those letters that cannot be joined to that which comes after them. And alhamdulillah, all of you guys did beautiful in regards to, but this is not the end of the journey. This is the beginning, right? So you still want to focus on practice and ensure that you guys are rewatching the video lessons, ensuring that you guys are doing review, and the group will be kept open for a little while, I believe, until the next semester starts. So if you have any questions over the next few weeks before the next semester starts, you want to ensure you guys can place them there. So we can be able to help you guys, inshallah. Any questions before we end today? Because don't forget, this is our last session, so you guys won't see me next week. But any questions you guys have before we end today's session?
I have a question.
Yes.
What should we register for next? Are we going basic 2 or beginning 1? And I hope I'm not getting ahead of myself.
No, you're going to be in basic 002, so you should sign up for the one after this would be basic 002. So which is going to be the next jump, the next jump up. You're not going to be learning any, so that the prerequisite for that course is being able to read, which is the stage that you are right now. And basic 002, its main focus is just going to be learning words, vocabulary. So it might feel a bit discouraging. So just want to be upfront with you. It might feel a bit discouraging to you, just learning words, vocab. You're not going to be learning any grammar in that level, like construction sentences, parts of a sentence, parts of a speech, things like that, as those things will come in the higher levels. But the main thing is you want to ensure that you're able to have vocabulary, right? Because if you learn all the grammar, but you have no way to apply it because you have no words in your head, no words in your bank, then there's really no point of having all that theory, right? So, but to answer your question, basic 002 is what you guys should sign up for after the 7. All of you guys are in a position where you should be able to. I don't suggest for any of you to repeat this level, but to just review and just to keep practicing reading just so you can get better. But my advice is to move forward and sign up for basic 002. All like I said, all of you guys did well. Don't psych yourselves out. I mean, you guys, this was a great journey, alhamdulillah. We like I said, we started this class, guys, with about 10 students, and you guys are the only 4 that stuck with us, alhamdulillah. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put barakah in you guys' time and reward you guys for the efforts and keep all of you steadfast and accept all of our good deeds. And I hope that this session or this semester was pleasurable for you guys, and you guys actually learned and able to apply what you've learned. I mean, I guess I'll see you guys in the next semester.
It's posted online. The next class and everything is posted on the chat.
Yes, you can sign up for that. Yes.
Yeah.
Great. Jazakumullah khair, guys. I'm going to end the recording here now, inshallah. Wa sallallahu wa sallam ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.